Use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials, where the polynomial in the denominator cannot be zero. To use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression, divide the numerator by the denominator. We'll use this template to do the long division. The numerator goes here, and so we write x squared plus 4x minus 45. The denominator or divisor goes here, so we write x plus 9. The dividend is of degree 2, and the divisor is of degree 1. To match this leading term, we multiply this expression by x, and we get x squared plus 9x. Subtracting this product from the dividend, we get the x squared terms cancel out. 4x minus 9x is negative 5x. And then we drop this term here, negative 5x minus 45. To match this leading term, we multiply this term by negative 5. Negative 5 times x plus 9, we get negative 5x minus 45. Subtracting one term from the other, we see that these terms are identical, so we get 0. Since there is no remainder, the simplified form of this expression, x squared plus 4x minus 45 divided by the expression x plus 9, is equal to this, which is x minus 5.